Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install entity model features on Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open a browser, then you need to look for EMF, entity model features, and entity texture features. So ETF and EMF, and then you just need to download these two mods here, right? So first of all, go to versions, then go to platform, select Fabric Game Versions 26.1, and then download it here. Then go to Entity Texture Features versions. Then you need to go to a 26.1 and download it as well for Fabric, not for NeoForge. I'm sorry, for Fabric. Then what you need to do here is to go and write on Google FabricMC.net, press download, download for Windows, right? And then you need to find these files. So now I got the files, and first, before you clicking on Fabric installer, completely close Minecraft and Minecraft launcher. Then you need to just click on it, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, select 26.1 and install. You should get this message here. Then you need to open up Minecraft launcher and wait until installation process here is done. Wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations, then select Fabric Loader 26.1, press this icon here. Then scroll down until you see mods. If you don't see mods folder, press new, name it to mods, and then drag and drop these files here. And then you just need to launch through Fabric Loader, Minecraft through Fabric Loader 26.1 and wait until it's done. So yeah, that's basically it. Basically it will work with entities resource packs like fresh animations and others that you can find on Modrint. So go to the resource packs and then entities here. So that's pretty much it.